What's Rome like in August?
When searching for this answer online and on the guidebooks, you usually hear these words. Rome is hot, Rome is crowded, and everything is closed because the Italians are on vacation.
But is it really like that? Let's start with the first one, the weather. Is it really that hot?
Yes, it is hot. It is the hottest time of the year to be in Rome, together with July.
35 degrees and it's 11:30. 36 degrees Celsius. Not that bad, it could be worse. It's gonna be 38 at 2 p.m.
With the occasional summer rains too.
Believe it or not, it seems like today it might be raining. Look at the sky, it's so grey. It started and I'm waiting at the traffic light. The weather is connected to the second point, the crowds. Is it really that crowded in Rome?
It depends. Because in August in Rome you have two extremes. From a tourist point of view, this is the high season, so all the tourist spots are packed. Look at the Trevi Fountain, this was August the 4th, that was crazy packed with people. Same as the Colosseum, these are the queues to buy the tickets on site for the day, and these are the queues to enter the archaeological park of the Roman Forum. But at the same time, you can still find quieter spots, because Rome hides a lot of hidden gems just around the corner, like secret gardens and less known museums, and this is where the crowds disappear and you can actually relax. And what about from a local point of view? Is Rome really that crowded in August? Not at all. The residential areas of Rome in August gradually turn in what seems a ghost town. It is so hot and humid that in August all the Romans literally flee the city and go to the mountain, to the lake, to the beach, to the countryside, everywhere else but in Rome.
You need to imagine that a big part of the population of Rome comes from elsewhere in Italy and they come here to work. So when most businesses shut for their summer holidays in August, all of those people return to their families, leaving some areas of Rome quite deserted.
From a local point of view, the city is quieter, there's less traffic, more parking spaces. Consider the parking is the drama of everyone's life in Rome. And in this silence you can notice details and sounds that you wouldn't notice otherwise.
The third point you might have heard is that everything is closed in Rome in August because all the Italians are on vacation. That is partly true.
And you will find signs like these on the shops saying chiuso per ferie, which means closed for vacation, or see you in September and things like that. But this is not something you should worry about too much as a tourist, because most of the activities and restaurants in the center of Rome, where you'll mostly be, will be open. Because after all, August is still high season for tourism. Most Romans consider being in the city in August a nightmare, but actually we love it.